How to unarchive post on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily unarchive post on your Instagram app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app, then go to your profile. So to go to your profile, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner here, and then once you're on your profile, first I will archive a post and then show you how to unarchive it. So let me archive a post quickly. So now I have archived the post. Now to unarchive the post, tap on these three lines in the top right corner here, then tap on archive, and here in the top tap on this drop down, and here you will see stories archive, post archive and live archive. So we have archived post, so we will tap on here post archive, and you can see the archive post here. So now to unarchive it, tap it and open it. After it is open, you have to tap on these three dots in the right side top of that post, then tap on show on profile, then again tap on show on profile. Now it is here saying restore. So now go back to your profile and refresh it, and here you can see that the photo is unarchived. So this is how you can unarchive post on your Instagram. Thanks for watching.